Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna test out the cheapest e-bike on Amazon. I went out and found it. We're gonna test it today. Let's get on the road, test it out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So today we're taking out the Qlife Cityone step-through e-bike. Now, this is a top seller on Amazon for good reason. It's an incredible value. And there are a lot of junky e-bikes online, guys, and I've tested some and I've just returned them. I'm only looking for good ones to share, and this one actually surprised me. It's very quiet, it has some good torque, very comfortable when you ride it, and the step-through design makes it just a lot easier to get on and off, which for me, a huge thing right now. It doesn't have the largest motor or the biggest battery. Let's save those for those $2,000 e-bikes. This is just a fun, inexpensive e-bike for those on a budget. So a little bit about it. It has 26-inch tires, so it is a full-size e-bike, fitting anyone from 5 foot 4 inches up to 6 foot 5 inches tall. It has a 7-speed Shimano shifter. It can handle 350-pound rider, which is incredible in this price range. It has slightly wider tires than typical bikes in this range at 2.1 inches. Removable 36-volt battery, which will get you up to about a 40-mile range at the lowest pedal assist level. It has a 500-watt motor, which will get you about 20 miles per hour. So it has enough power for most and a really decent range. This e-bike also has multiple colors to choose from, which I thought was pretty cool. As you can tell, I chose the black one, but you can get white, pink, blue, even orange. Overall, the riding has been surprisingly smooth. I think that's mainly because of the front suspension and a really comfy seat. It also has an aluminum frame, which makes it really a lot lighter to lift, which can be very handy, especially if you're transporting the e-bike to and from bike paths and all of that. This brand does have a few different models to choose from, so to see the full array of what's offered, I will go ahead and put a link in the description section of this video just to make it a lot easier for you to find this e-bike. Hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to really quickly test out the cheapest e-bike on Amazon to see if it is worth it. Again, this is an e-bike at that price, which is insane. I'll put links to this in the description section of this video, as well as the top comment. If you can't find either of those, just comment and I'll send you the link to this one. This company does sell a few different models, e-bikes. This is the least expensive. I love the step through. But when you go with a cheaper e-bike, you do sacrifice a few things. There's no back rack, okay? It's gonna have a smaller motor, it's gonna have a smaller battery, which means less range, less speed. But overall, this is actually a pretty nice e-bike. It actually has a panel. It's got 7 speeds. It's got both pedal assist and a straight throttle. So it has a lot of great features that a lot of the more expensive e-bikes have, and this one has it also. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Any questions, comment down below. Thanks again. Bye.